Hathorn, and I'm in the talk show room, and I'm going to hand it over to Caitlin Garagosha and Kelby Cox with breaking news on a house fire. Back
Malfunction.
To you,
Hi, I am Caitlin Garagosha, and I'm here with my partner, Kelby Cox. We're here witnessing a very drastic house fire, and it is spreading very rapidly. This could be a very hard time for folks in the neighborhood. Kelby, is there anything you'd like to say with that?
All I have to say is, I know this is a very hard time for most people, and I just want to say, I hope you all have a place to go tonight. If you don't, I'll keep you warm. I'll keep you hungry and full. And we'll all get through it together. God.
I'm Kelby, along with my partner Caitlin, and we are here with Scout Finch. Scout, how are you doing today? As you can see, it's a very hard time for everyone.
I'm having a very hard time. I mean, my house is going to burn down.
We understand.
And everything will be okay. I promise you
Thank
that.
you guys. You guys are the best.
And if you ever need a place to stay, homeless shelters are right around the corner.
Don't worry. They'll get you some good food
Beans.
and a lot of water. That's very important.
We'll keep you occupied.
Thank
Cut.
you.
Action.
We are now here interviewing Scout's older brother, Jem. Jem, how do you feel about this crisis?
I just feel like it's my responsibility to take care of Scout.
It's alright, we're here for you.
I'm sure that everything will be fine, and you guys who need a place to stay, once again, homeless shelter is a great suggestion. And I'm sure family members and your loving neighbors will be here for you.
And always remember, we start charities for anyone.
And everyone.
Thank you.
You okay, sweetheart?
Yes.
No matter.
Hi, we're back again with Atticus this time. Tell us how everything is.
I am very upset about all of this happening, but I'm thankful for the neighbors and the children. They are all safe and sound, and that my home is still standing. If Miss Monty needs a place to stay, she's always welcome at my home.
You're a real skipper, aren't you?
That is very kind of you, and I'm sure all of your neighbors and your children are very, very
Thankful.
happy with it.
Very thankful also.
Thankful. Thank you.
And cut.
Well, it's 9 o'clock somewhere, but I hope.
Thank you, Kaylee Hathor, for that last update. Thank you for interviewing.